Dear friends, you are most welcome to my online class on genetics. This lecture is 6. Today we discuss lethal gene deviation of Mendel's first law. I think this class will be very helpful for us. Some deviations of Mendel's first law are incomplete dominance, codominance, and lethal gene. In previous class, we discussed incomplete dominance and codominance. Today we discuss lethal gene. Lethal gene causes death usually during embryogenesis. Lethal gene is created by lethal mutation, mutation of gene or point mutation. The phenomenon is known as lethality because it causes death of an organism bearing lethal gene. Huntington's disease in human is dominant lethal gene cause a neurological disorder. Lethal gene may be dominant or recessive. Dominant lethal gene is expressed in both homozygous and heterozygous condition. Recessive lethal gene can be expressed in homozygous condition only. Lethal gene can be expressed in zygote, early embryogenic stage, or later development stages. Mendelian ratio 3:1 is modified into 2:1 by lethal gene. Example of human lethal gene is hemophilia and thalassemia. Now we explain lethal gene. French scientist Louis Cuno 1905 first discovered incomplete lethal gene in the inheritance of coat color gene in mice. In nature, two types of mice, namely yellow and agouti, golden brown, are found. Here we use genotype capital Y for dominant allele responsible for yellow color. We use small y for recessive allele responsible for agouti color. Capital Y means homozygous yellow color, not found because capital Y becomes lethal at homozygous condition. Small y homozygous for agouti color. Capital Y small y heterozygous creates yellow color mice. Now we explain because capital Y genotype is not found due to lethality. We found capital Y and small y heterozygous male or female mice. They are yellow in phenotype. We take yellow female as hybrid and yellow male as hybrid. In this cross, when yellow female is crossed with yellow male, female produce two types of gametes because they are heterozygous. One gamete is with capital Y and next gamete is small y. Again, male gametes are produced two types of gametes. One has capital Y and another has small y. When capital Y are crossed, they produce capital Y genotype, and it is dead due to homozygous lethal gene. Capital Y becomes lethal in heterozygous condition. Then capital Y is crossed with small y, they produce heterozygous genotype and its phenotype is yellow color mice. When this small y is crossed with capital Y, they produce heterozygous genotype and its phenotype is yellow color mice. When small y is crossed with small y, they produce homozygous recessive condition, they produce agouti colored mice. Now this genotype is not found, this phenotype or genotype is not found in nature due to lethal gene. Now the ratio is yellow and agouti is 2:1, that is not found in nature. So the ratio of lethal gene is 2:1. Thanks to remain with me. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and comment.